Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this little cute bumblebee honeycomb nail tutorial. So I start off by using Madam Glam's dipped in honey. I do this after I do my base coat. I do my first layer and then I give that a full cure. After that we do our second layer. We don't cure this one because this is the part where we're going to put our little gold hexagons into our little honeycomb shape. So get your hexagons, and then I just take some base coat and I put a dot on my glove just so I can dip my dotting tool in it just to have something sticky to pick up the hexagons. And you just start placing them wherever you see fit. I just put them at the top, some at the bottom. Make sure they line up. They don't have to be perfect, but you know, just get them as close as you can. Okay, so once you're done doing your hexagons, you're going to get a LiQWYD top coat because placing those hexagons gives it texture and you want the nail to be completely smooth before you put your matte top coat on. So you put your top coat on, and sometimes the gel top coat will like separate on the hexagons just because it's glossy on top of glossy. And that's really no big deal. Once you get your matte top coat, that'll cover all that. You won't even notice it. So after you do your top coat, you get your little tweezers, get some bee stickers. You can paint them or with gel polish or acrylic paint, but I rather use stickers. Work smarter, not harder. So just place them wherever you want. And this is after you do your gel top coat. You just squish them on there really good, make sure they're all flat. Get your matte top coat. We're going to do one full layer. Put it on pretty, not thick, but just like a nice even coat. Make sure you cover the whole thing. Seal those stickers in. And then we're going to cure that for full cure, 60 seconds, and voila, there you go.